Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp enable unofficial problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search WhatsApp, then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the airplane mode on or turn the Bluetooth on and off. And if it didn't work again, try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all your files and the media and the chats and the messages will be deleted, so be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.